Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wild world of the 2025 Ford Mustang GTD. Buckle up, because this isn't just any Mustang, it's a tech marvel and a performance beast that's set to redefine what you expect from a muscle car. Ford has gone all out with this one, and we're here to show you why the 2025 Mustang GTD is worth every bit of its $300,000 price tag. Let's get started. The journey of the Mustang GTD began when Ford's CEO saw a clay model of the Mustang GT3 race car and decided to make a road car version of it. This car is not just about looks, it's about groundbreaking technology and race-inspired engineering. Although it shares some styling cues with the Mustang GT3, the GTD is a different beast altogether. It's packed with a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine that delivers a jaw-dropping 800 horsepower. Let's take a closer look at what makes this car so special. Under the hood, you'll find the supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine. This powerhouse produces around 800 horsepower, up from the Shelby GT 760 horses. To balance the car's weight, Ford has equipped the GTD with a transaxle, achieving nearly perfect front-rear weight distribution. This means the GTD is not just about raw power, but also about precision and balance, giving you an incredible driving experience on both the road and the track. The GTD features an advanced suspension system with a 1:1 motion ratio between the pushrod and inboard damper at the rear, and unequal length control arms at the front. This setup ensures direct mechanical communication between the wheels and suspension, offering superb handling. Multimatic's adaptive spool valve dampers at all four corners allow for 16 different bump and rebound responses, and in track mode, the ride height drops by nearly 1.6 inches for an even more aggressive stance. Aerodynamics play a huge role in the GTD's performance. It features an enormous rear wing as standard, with an optional active aero package that includes hidden front axle flaps. These elements work together to provide more downforce at 150 mph than a Porsche 911 GT3 RS. The design is not just for show. The trunk houses vital mechanical components, and the Acropovi titanium exhaust ensures this car sounds as fierce as it looks. The GTD rides on 20-inch forged aluminum wheels, with an option for 20-inch forged magnesium wheels to reduce unsprung mass even further. These wheels are not only stylish, but also functional, enhancing the car's performance on the road. So there you have it, the 2025 Ford Mustang GTD, a car that combines the best of racing technology and road performance. With its impressive specs and stunning design, this is one Mustang that's set to make waves. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting car reviews. See you next time.